Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the most useful phrasal verbs in songs. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kureba amatsinda y'amagambo akoreshwa cyane mu ndirimbo. Niba utarakora subscribe, like, share ndetse na comment, bikore nonaha mbere yuko dutangira. To come fluid. To come fluid. Gutsinda ikibazo cyangwa se kugera ku ntsinzi. Mu yandi magambo ni uguca mu bibazo, guca mu bigeragezo, ukabinyuramo, ukabitsinda. Examples: I came through the struggles. I came through the struggles. Natsinze ibibazo cyangwa se naciye mu bibazo. Another example: he came through it strong. He came through it strong. Yabiciyemo akomeye. We came through it together. We came through it together. Twabinyuranyemo cyangwa se twatsinze turi kumwe. To look out. To look out. Kwitonda cyangwa se kwirinda. Examples: look out for danger. Look out for danger. Witondere akaga. I look out for my family. I look out for my family. Nita ku muryango wanjye. He looks out for trouble. He looks out for trouble. Yirinda ibibazo. To learn up. To learn up. Kwegeranya byinshi. I learn up money. I learn up money. Negeranya amafaranga. He learns up points. He learns up points. Yegeranya amanota. Points na amanota. They learn up success. They learn up success. Begeranyije intsinzi. To stack up. To stack up. Kwegeranya. I stack up my wins. I stack up my wins. Negeranya intsinzi zanjye. He stacks up money. He stacks up money. Yegeranya amafaranga. To learn up and to stack up ni kimwe. They stack up power. They stack up power. Bashyira hamwe imbaraga. To speak up. To speak up. Kuvuga udatinya. Speak up the truth. Speak up the truth. Vuga ukuri nta bwoba. I speak up for justice. Mvugira ubutabera ntatinya. I speak up for justice. Mvugira ubutabera ntatinya. He speaks up loudly. He speaks up loudly. Avuga cyane nta bwoba. To stand out. To stand out. Kwigaragaza cyangwa se kugaragara cyane. Nibyo bita to stand out. I stand out in lab. I stand out in lab. Ndigaragaza muri lab. He stands out in class. He stands out in class. Arigaragaza mu shuri. She stands out in music. She stands out in music. Arigaragaza mu muziki. To break through. To break through. Gutsinda inzitizi. To break through. Gutsinda inzitizi. Examples: I break through pain. I break through pain. Tsinda ububabare. He breaks through problems. He breaks through problems. Atsinda ibibazo. We break through together. We break through together. Dutsinda inzitizi turi kumwe. To bring up. To bring up. Kuvuga ikintu cyangwa se kuzana ikintu. Examples: I bring up this topic. I bring up this topic. Nazanye iyo ngingo cyangwa se ingingo. He brings up the problem. He brings up the problem. Azana ikibazo. He brings up a problem. Azana ikibazo. She brings up the truth. She brings up the truth. Azana ukuri. She brings up the truth. Azana ukuri. To push through. To push through. Gukomeza nubwo bigoye. I push through pain. I push through pain. Ndakomeza nubwo mbabaye. He pushes through struggle. He pushes through struggle. Arakomeza nubwo ari mu bibazo. We push through together. We push through together. Turakomeza turi kumwe. To shine through. To shine through. Kugaragaza impano. His talent shines through. His talent shines through. Impano ye irigaragaza. Hope shines through pain. Hope shines through pain. Icyizere kigaragara mu bubabare. Truth shines through lies. Truth shines through lies. Ukuri kugaragara mu binyoma. To climb up. To climb up. Kuzamuka. I climb up the hill. I climb up the hill. Nzamuka umusozi. He climbs up the ladder. He climbs up the ladder. Azamuka ku rwego. We climb up together. We climb up together. Tuzamuka turi kumwe. To grow up. To grow up. Gukura. I grow up strong. I grow up strong. Nkura mfite imbaraga. He grows up fast. He grows up fast. Arakura vuba cyangwa se akura vuba. They grow up together. They grow up together. Bakurira hamwe cyangwa se barakurana. To rise above. To rise above. Gutsinda ibibazo. I rise above hate. I rise above hate. Natsinze urwango. He rises above pain. He rises above pain. Atsinda ububabare. We rise above problems. We rise above problems. Dutsinda ibibazo. Cyangwa se turenga ibibazo. To rise above ni ugutsinda cyangwa se kurenga ibibazo. To back down. Gusubira inyuma kubera ubwoba. I never back down. I never back down. Sinjya nsubira inyuma kubera ubwoba. He backs down because of fear. He backs down because of fear. Yasubiye inyuma kubera ubwoba. They back down quickly. They back down quickly. Basubiye inyuma vuba. To look ahead. To look ahead. Kureba imbere. I look ahead to success. I look ahead to success. Ndeba imbere ku ntsinzi. He looks ahead with hope. He looks ahead with hope. Areba imbere afite icyizere. We look ahead together. We look ahead together. Tureba imbere turi kumwe. To move up. To move up. Kuzamuka mu rwego cyangwa se gutera imbere. Examples: I move up in life. I move up in life. Ntera imbere mu buzima. I move up in life. Ntera imbere mu buzima. He moves up in lap. He moves up in lap. Azamuka muri rap cyangwa se muri hip hop. He moves up in lap. Azamuka muri rap. They move up fast. They move up fast. Bazamuka vuba cyangwa se batera imbere vuba. To place on. To place on. Gukomeza. I place on through pain. I place on through pain. Ndakomeza nubwo mbabaye. He presses on daily. He presses on daily. Akomeza buri munsi. We press on together. We press on together. Turakomeza turi kumwe. To work out. To work out. Kubona igisubizo cyangwa se gukora siporo, gukora imyitozo ngororamubiri. Vaye inshinga ifite ubusobanuro burenze bumwe. Examples: the problem worked out. The problem worked out. Ikibazo cyabonye igisubizo. Another example: I work out the answer. I work out the answer. Mbona igisubizo. I work out the answer. Mbona igisubizo. Things worked out well. Things worked out well. Things worked out well. Ibintu byagenze neza. To take over. To take over. Gufata ubuyobozi ku ngufu cyangwa se ukoresheje imbaraga. Examples: I take over the game. I take over the game. Fata ubuyobozi mu mikino. He takes over the business. He takes over the business. Afata ubuyobozi bw'ubucuruzi. He takes over the business. Afata ubuyobozi bw'ubucuruzi. They took over the city. They took over the city. Bafashe ubuyobozi bw'umujyi. To come alive. To come alive. Kongera kugira imbaraga cyangwa se kugarura ubuyanja. Nibyo twita to come alive. Examples: I come alive on stage. I come alive on stage. Ngira imbaraga ku rubyiniro. Music comes alive. Music comes alive. Umuziki ubaho. The crowd comes alive. The crowd comes alive. Abantu basubiranye imbaraga cyangwa se basubiranye ingufu. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.